CK, what are your thoughts on the market?
Well, I think market is largely reflecting the renewed levels of crisis in Europe, and since that is something completely outside of our country, I think we are in a reactive phase rather than doing something proactively. On the proactive front, we are all looking at the government, but since everybody seems to know what to do, but nobody seems to be doing it, so I think there is a loss of any trigger coming in from that area. So as far as these, the European theatre keeps showing these series of horror shows, which we are expecting every day to happen, and going forward we have some elections in France, some elections in Greece. I think till about June 18th, 20th we have this G20 meet and all that. Till that time, I don't think the market really is in any position to stage a significant recovery, because there will always be this fear of something sort of going belly up somewhere in the world. So I do believe the market will remain under some bit of pressure. We have hit down quite significantly down to 47 levels. So I don't think there is too much of the downside. So we should remain range bound between 47 to 50 for at least a week to two. That is my view as of now.
Your fresh calls.
Yeah, I have a long and a short. The long which I wish to create is in Divi's Laboratories, currently trading in the region of about 935, 940. Use a 10 rupees stop loss from your entry price. I think the stock is hovering near its previous highs, and if the market were to be slightly supportive, and with probably a shift that we are seeing definitely towards more of pharma stocks, I think there could be some upward traction in it. But nevertheless, we do want to use a stop. So about a 10 rupee stop from your entry price, looking for a target at about 960. For a short, I would pick on something which has already been weak for a while, which is VIP. That stock seems to be somewhat bereft of friends, particularly large patronizing ones which used to keep the stock up in earlier months and years. That seems to be on an exit spree, currently at about 77, 78. I think there is more decline to come here. Use a nearby stop at about 81, looking for an immediate target at 72, and also a possible fall all the way till about 65 before it sees some support.